Hello everyone, welcome to my e-estate video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the paperwork. How is it that e-estate is 100% regulated for those people that are looking for paperwork? We are also going to be able to show you where to locate those documents in the back office for the members of e-estate to have a copy of them or just keep hold of them for reference purposes in case any of your prospects are asking for this documentation. So I just want to let you know that it is easy for you to get all these documents if you know the right place to look for the documents, and it has been registered and regulated in Panama. So that being said, let me quickly share with you very quickly how to locate these documents in the back office. First of all, when you register and complete your KYC, you will be able to have access to your dashboard like this. There are two ways to locate the legal documents of e-estate in your back office. So once you are on your dashboard, the first way to get it is if you scroll down here, you will see the knowledge base. If you click on it, it will open up the knowledge base, right? So once you are on the knowledge base, you will see the default general tab here, and then you will see the frequently asked questions for buyers, and you see frequently asked questions for agents. Now, on my right hand side here, below my picture here, you will see where it says documentation. Click on the documentation, and right here, you will see all the legal documents here. Okay. For those of you that are interested in locating where all the documentations for regulation and for registration are, this is the place to get it. Okay, so you see the company registration certificate, which was done in Panama, and you will see the legal entity identifier certificate, and you will see the partnership certificate with ARDR as well. Okay, now I will show you the physical documents that relate to the company registration document, the legal entity identifier, and the partnership certificate with the ARDR. So I am going to quickly show you that later on, but this is the first way to locate the legal document once you are in your back office. The second way to locate it is if you go to the Info Hub tab, click on it, and then you will see knowledge base tab here. Click on the tab and it's going to take you back to the knowledge base page. And then on my right hand side here, just go below my picture, you will see the documentation. If you have already registered, if you just go below the frequently asked questions, you will see the documentation there, because some people have not completed their profile setup, so they may not have a picture here. Okay, just so you know, I can see my picture because I have uploaded my picture already. So for those of you that have not done that, you will not see anything here, or maybe you will see another icon there, but just remember that it is below frequently asked question tab. Okay, that's where you get it. Now let's show you electronic documentation of e-estate. Now this is the first registration document where e-estate is regulated in Panama. Okay, and this certificate, of course, you can confirm this certificate by going to the official government website of Panama. You will be able to trace this as well and confirm all of these documents. As you can see from here, the people that are listed as directors are Brandon Stevenson, which you know already that he is the CEO of e-estate, and then Mike Hamilton as well, the co-founder of e-estate, and of course Carol Peterson is also one of the key executives in e-estate. Now let's go to the second certificate. So this is the partnership certificate for Association of Real Digital Realtors, which is ARDR, I mentioned earlier. And right here, you will see that the chief realtor is Carol Peterson as well. Okay. And the last document here is the one for the legal entity identifier certificate. Yeah, you will see the reference number, and you will see that the registration status is active as well. You will also see the date it was issued. So all of these documents are available for you to view in your back office if you wish to do so. I am not just going to stop here. I am going to go further to show you more information as well regarding this. If you go to Bloomberg, you will notice also that eState Group Inc. is also there. You will see that Bloomberg have also carried out some information here. As you can see, the entity status says active, and the entity category is general, and you will see all the dates there, okay, for when it is effective date, when it is recorded, Lego entity event 1, Lego entity event 2. So you will see all of this information here as well, right? And you will see where it was registered, as you can see from my initial document that I showed you earlier, which is the certificate of incorporation in Panama. So if you go further, you will also be able to go straight into the website of Lego Entity Identifier for you to confirm that certificate as well. The only thing you need to do is there are 3 tabs here. So there is tab for register new LEI, and there is LEI renewal for people that are wanting to renew their certificate, and then there is LEI search tool. So if you click on this LEI search tool, this page will open. Once this page opens, just type in eState and then click search, and then it will return a couple of results here, and right here you will locate eState Group Inc., and that is the reference number for the LEI code, and that is the country that it was registered, which is Panama. And the Lego status is saying it has been issued, and the entity status is saying it is active. And of course, you can renew the certificate by the executives of the company. And then if you click here, that will now take you straight into the certificate that you are looking at right now. So in terms of documentation, guys, Lego stuff, it is authentic and it is legit. Okay, I don't know about you, I don't know what else you are looking for in eState, but all paperwork is 100% regulated. And if you are purchasing a fraction of real estate here, you are going to be earning between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, and this you can withdraw your profit daily. All we are doing here is a tokenized real estate, and it is really lucrative and very consistent for those that are looking for consistency in 2026. This is the year that you have to plug into eState and begin to make money. All right. We are purchasing fractional real estate, and we are earning from the fractional real estate that we have purchased on a daily basis, Mondays to Friday. That is how it works. And they have made it possible for every single individual to be able to participate in eState by reducing the initial investment capital to $10 only. So if you have $10 today, you can get started in eState. And if you want to earn more, you will invest more than $10, because of course you know that $10 will earn you some money, but it won't earn you as much money as somebody that invested $1,000 or $10,000, right? But the fact is, they are giving you the opportunity to just try out the website, try out the platform, and see if you like it or not with your $10. That is what they are trying to do here. All paperwork is 100% legit. As I said before, the link to join is below this video description. If you wish to do so, use that link to join. Complete your KYC, do your deposit of $10 if you wish to do only $10. If you want to do more than $10, you are more than welcome to do so. And then purchase your real estate, and then begin to earn after 24 hours from Monday to Fridays, right? This is it. Thank you very much, and God bless.